Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common issue that even the most seasoned travelers face: forgetting essential items when packing for long trips. After years of globe-trotting, I've learned firsthand how easy it is to overlook crucial items. Let's count down the top 7 items people often forget and explore practical tips to ensure you never leave them behind again. Let's get started. Number 7. Reusable water bottles. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially on long flights or during busy sightseeing days. The air inside of a plane is very dry, and you want to make sure you are drinking plenty of water if you are on a long-haul flight. And if you plan to hit the ground running when you land, you may end up buying expensive bottled water throughout the day, which is not only more costly, but also isn't eco-friendly. Tip: to avoid this issue, always keep your water bottle in a consistent spot. Place it near your keys or put it in a specific compartment of your carry-on bag. Additionally, consider choosing a water bottle with a built-in filter. This way, you can refill it from almost any source, even when you're unsure about local water quality. Bonus tip: if you're traveling to a place with uncertain water safety, make sure to bring water purification tablets or a UV water purifier. Alternatively, you can also buy a purifying water bottle which filters out even more contaminants than a standard filtered bottle. This adds an extra layer of security and ensures you stay hydrated without any worries. Number 6. Important documents. Important documents include your passport, travel insurance, copies of IDs, and your itinerary. But please do remember, while traveling, leave your passport in your hotel room as you are out sightseeing. Standing in line at the embassy for a replacement is no fun if it is lost or stolen. Best practice is to lock it inside the hotel safe if you have access to one. Another well-known tip is to leave one shoe inside the safe along with your documents so you don't forget to grab them when you're packing to leave. Though this is not something I've personally tried. Tip: use a travel organizer or folder for all important documents and keep it in a consistent place, such as a dedicated compartment in your carry-on bag. Before you leave, double-check this folder to ensure everything is there. For added security, make digital copies of all crucial documents and email them to yourself. You can also use cloud storage or a secure travel app to keep these documents accessible from any device. Bonus tip: consider using a travel wallet that holds not only your documents, but also your credit cards, boarding passes, and emergency contact information. This will help keep everything in one place and reduce the chances of losing something important. Number 5. Comfort items. Comfort items such as a neck pillow, travel blanket, and noise-canceling headphones can make a huge difference on long journeys. You may even want to consider an eye mask and earplugs to aid in being able to fall asleep and sleep longer on very long flights. Tip: pack comfort items last in your carry-on so they're easily accessible. Create a comfort kit with your neck pillow, travel blanket, and headphones, and always take it with you. This way, you won't forget these items and will have them within arm's reach during your journey. Bonus tip: consider investing in multi-purpose comfort items. For example, some neck pillows come with built-in hoods, or even a small blanket, which can further enhance your comfort. Noise-canceling headphones with a long battery life can also double as ear protection in noisy environments. Number 4. Sunglasses. Sunglasses are essential for protecting your eyes from the sun, especially when traveling to sunny destinations. This may sound like advice for an escape to the tropics, but sunglasses come in handy any time of the year in a variety of climates. Whether laying on the beach, snowshoeing in the mountains, or walking around the city, protect your eyes and see more clearly without the effects of glare. Tip: keep your sunglasses in a designated spot, such as a specific pocket in your bag or a hard case that's always in your carry-on. Having a backup pair can also be a lifesaver if you lose or break your primary pair. Additionally, consider choosing sunglasses with UV protection to safeguard your eyes from harmful rays. Bonus tip: to ensure you never forget them, try incorporating sunglasses into your daily routine. For instance, when packing your essentials like your phone or wallet, add your sunglasses to the list. This habit helps create a mental checklist that includes all your travel necessities. Number 3. Medication and health essentials. This category includes prescription medications, over-the-counter remedies, and a basic first aid kit. Although in most cities across the world, you will be able to find standard over-the-counter medications, it is always helpful to travel with what you know works for you. And a first aid kit can help you take care of minor cuts and scrapes quickly. Stock it with essentials like Band-Aids, pain relievers, antiseptic spray, and any specific remedies you might need. Tip: make a detailed list of all medications and health items you need and check it twice before you leave. Pack these items in a dedicated pouch, bag, or case that's easily accessible. Bonus tip: if you're traveling to a country where your medication might be restricted or difficult to obtain, bring an extra supply and ensure it's clearly labeled. Consider bringing a doctor's note if you have prescription medication, as some countries require proof for carrying certain drugs. Number 2. Travel adapters. For international travel, having the right adapter is crucial. Check the outlet type for all countries that you will be visiting. Make a note of the standard voltage in each country as well. Tip: invest in a universal travel adapter that works across multiple regions. Consider leaving your universal adapter in your suitcase at all times. There is no need to unpack it at home. Check the voltage requirements for your electronics to avoid any compatibility issues. However, most personal electronics have built-in transformers in their power supplies so that a separate transformer is no longer necessary as it was in the past. But always double and triple check before plugging it into an unfamiliar outlet. Bonus tip: some universal adapters come with USB ports, which can be incredibly useful. This eliminates the need for multiple adapters and helps keep your charging process streamlined and efficient. And finally, the number 1 most forgotten item when packing: phone chargers and electronics accessories. Forgetting phone chargers, power banks, or other essential electronics accessories can be a major inconvenience. Don't get stuck at a connecting airport with a dead phone battery when all of your travel documents are on your phone. Experience speaking here. Maybe it's another reason to print out your travel documents. Tip: create a travel checklist that includes all your electronic accessories. Designate a specific spot in your bag for chargers, and consider using a travel-sized charging station that can handle multiple devices at once. Charge all your devices fully before you leave, and pack any necessary cables in a way that's easy to access. Bonus tip: for added convenience, consider packing a portable power bank. This ensures you have a backup power source for your devices, especially during long travel days or when you're on the go. So there you have it, our top 7 most frequently forgotten items and tips to ensure you never leave them behind again. I hope these tips help make your travels smoother and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Share your own packing mishaps or tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.